This is Mr. Carmelo. Hi, we just saw you in play group. Yes, you're so cute. He's so sweet. He's so friendly. He loved playing, so that just totally opened him up. Seems to love other dogs. Who do you see over there? Oh, you see your girlfriend over there. Come here, you want this treat? Yeah. Good boy. Do you know how to sit? Look at that face. Look at that gorgeous face. Mrs. Carmelo, sit. Sit. Come here. Do you know how to sit? Come here. No, you don't know how to do that, but he's so gorgeous. So this is Carmelo. He's at Manhattan Care Center. This is the most beautiful amber eyes and pretty tan coat. Pulls a little bit on the leash, but at this point that's just about being a little bit nervous on the street, I think, because he's a little shy, but certainly being with other dogs has totally opened him up. So this is Carmelo. He's at Manhattan Care Center. Yeah, you saying goodbye to Margie over there? Oh, I know you're such a good boy. Come here. Yeah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, Mr. Carmelo, you're giving me huggies. Love laying on my lap. And he was pooped. Carmelo, come here. Hi. What a good boy. Carmelo, Manhattan Care Center.